Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to invite a friend on Doordash. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to invite a friend on Doordash. Maybe because you have heard about that if you invite a friend on Doordash, you will get a prize for it. So you just want to give it a try. Or maybe your friend is not using it, so you want to recommend it. Or there could be any other reason for you to invite your friends on Doordash. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed our DoorDash app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you also have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Now just simply tap on the icon of the DoorDash app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some options at the bottom. And in the middle of the screen, there are different products like food that you could order, or maybe you can just go through. Now, if you want to invite your friend because maybe he or she is not using it and you think that other people should use it because it has the best food deals or maybe the variety of the food, so you just want to recommend others they should also use it so they could enjoy different meals. Therefore, you have to click onto this option, which is account. Once you tap on it, first you will read the title of account and there you will see multiple options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own specific purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, what you have to do here is that you just have to simply click onto this option, which is refer a friend. So here once you open it, it will say that if you refer a friend or maybe if you invite a friend on this app, you will get a cashback, and with the help of that cashback you can order something. So if you invite someone and that person creates account and orders food, you will get a cashback $5 to $10. So here is a link. You may copy it and send it to your friend via WhatsApp, text message, email, or any other choice of yours. The other person just have to open it, download the app and order something and you will get back some money. So here is your referral link. You may send it to anybody of your choice. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can invite your friends on DoorDash. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.